We here at Mathews Brothers prepare for tomorrow, honor traditions, and embrace change. Sometimes change is subtle, like that first time you break with tradition and forego singing Mathews carols. Other times, change means fundamentally transforming your company, taking it from 100% wood to 100% vinyl, taking it from production-driven and cost-focused to sales-driven and customer-focused. Over our 164-year history, Mathews Brothers has had to contend with civil wars, world wars, recessions, and depressions. But in our history, the past 3 decades have been the most volatile, and it is through that turbulence that Scott Hawthorne navigated, transforming us from a quiet, innovative local supplier to a confident, pioneering force to be reckoned with. And so does Scott, who after 33 years, 8 months, and 3 days, believes his work here is done. We say thank you for having the vision to see the transformations we needed to make, the courage to make the vision a reality, and the wisdom to keep in at least one Mathews carol.
Mathews Brothers, Mathews Brothers, Mathews with one T. America's oldest window manufacturer are we.